If you ever wondered how a collection of about 40 nationalities, all adorned in what they define as cultural attire, would look like, just take a look around the room and take it in. Today is about diversity. And what better avenue to celebrate it than in the ceremony of coming together? Today is about celebrating what arguably is one of the most special components of our stay here on campus. Today is about the people and how what makes us different from the next person is ironically what adds life when we come together.
As you join us, students, you each bring with you unique perspectives, experiences, and talents that will enrich our community in countless ways. At ALA, we know that our strength lies in your diversity, and we are excited for the new perspectives you will bring. Remember, you are not just students. You are future leaders, innovators and change makers. You have the opportunity to shape not only your own future, but also the future of our continent.
As you go through your journey at ALA, let your voice be heard, let your thoughts be expressed, and even after this path of your life is over, let ALA remain your home.